Hello everyone, I'm City from Marconi's Product Marketing. For decades, memory was just a warehouse, a place to store your photos, your apps, your data, simple storage. But today, the world is changing. Everything is connected. Everything is AI driven. Storage isn't enough anymore. We are moving from simple storage to a root of trust. Today, we are going to talk about how Marconi is building the foundation of security inside the silicon itself. Let's dive in. Here is the map for our journey today. First, we will look at the scary threat out there. Then we will talk about the root of trust, the first domino of security. I will show you why your flash memory needs to be a shield, not just a box. Then we will talk about our Armor Face series of products. And finally, I will leave you with a vision for a secure, quantum-ready future. Think about it. Hackers are getting smarter. They don't just attack your software anymore. They attack the hardware. They attack the wires. Look at these three threats. Rollback attacks, where they force your device to use old buggy code. Key extraction, where they literally scrape your secret keys out of the chip. And bus snooping, where they listen to data moving between the CPU and the memory. If your memory is down, your system is wide open, then we have to fix it. The danger starts long before the device is on your desk. It starts in the global supply chain. From design to the factory, there are so many places to tamper with a chip. But there is a bigger storm coming, the quantum threat. Hackers are doing something called harvest now, decrypt later. They are stealing your encrypted data today, waiting for a quantum computer to crack it tomorrow. Our current security will be obsolete soon. We must prepare now. Governments are waking up. From the US White House to the EU and Japan, new laws are being passed. Security is no longer an option. It's a legal requirement. Supply chain risk management is the new standard. If you want to build for the global market, your hardware must be trusted. This is the new reality of the tech industry. So, how do we fight back? It starts with a root of trust. Think of it as the trust anchor. If the very first piece of code is trust, it can verify the next piece and the next. We call this the chain of trust. From the moment you hit the power button, every layer, the firmware, the OS, the apps, is verified. Security must be built in, not added on. This is the magic part. Traditional security stores keys in memory, but if a hacker finds them, they are gone. At Macronics, we use PUF. We call it silicon biometrics. Just like your fingerprint, every chip has tiny, unique physical difference from the factory. We use this to create keys on the fly. The key only exists when you need it. Then it dissolves. You cannot steal what isn't there. Isn't that incredible? In the past, security was hidden inside the main processor, but today's chips are so complex, we have to move memory outside. But the moment you moved it outside, it's vulnerable to both snooping and IP theft. Hackers can clone your expensive AI model. That's why we need external secure flash. It's not just memory, it's a security vault for your digital life. Let's compare. Conventional flash is passive. The CPU asks for data and the flash just gives it. It doesn't ask questions. However, security flash is active. It has a built-in security engine. It checks the digital signature before it allows the system to boot. It is the trust anchor for your firmware. No signature, no boot. Simple and effective. Our security flash is a Swiss Army knife of security. Rollback protection? Yes. Security boot? Yes. Device authentication? Absolutely. We use the PUF to lock the memory chip to the main processor. They become a married couple. Only they can talk to each other. This stops cloning and stops hack code. We also protect the supply chain. We provide manufacturer and the device certificate. When a chip arrives at your factory, you can run an acceptance check immediately. You know exactly who made it and that it hasn't been tampered with. It's a clear, transparent chain of trust from our fab to your customer. We have developed a specialized family of armor flash products to meet these needs. From the RPNC NX77 for repair protection to the Armor Ocean MX74 for device identity. Our flagship is the Armor Quantum MX79, which is post-quantum ready and CNSA 2.0 compliant. These chips use the latest algorithms designed to survive an attack from a quantum computer. As you can see on this slide, Armor Flash is designed to be completely compatible with your existing system architecture. It uses the same physical SPI pins and protocols that your engineers are already using today. This means no new hardware controllers are required on your SoC and no complex PCB redesigns are needed. It is truly plug and play. from a hardware perspective. The Marconi's path is our core innovation. Just as no two humans have the same fingerprints, no two chips, even from the same wafer, are identical at the microscopic level. This second biometrics provides non-replicable identity. Not even Marconi's can clone a chip's ID. Hardware to host binding. It cryptographically locks the memory to its specific authorized SOC. The quantum anchor. It provides the high entropy foundation required for next generation PQC algorithms. To defend against modern threats such as supply chain attack, cyber coding, quantum harvesting, and agentic AI, we need more than just passwords. We need second biometrics. This is where the Marconi's path comes in. Look at this. This is the science behind the magic. In the old world, we use a unique ID, but a standard ID is predictable. It's duplicable. It can be cloned by a clever attacker. But look at Marconi's path. It is nature. It is random. Whether it's 128 bits or 512 bits, it's pure entropy. Isn't it predictable? No. Is it clonable? Absolutely not. Even we, the manufacturer, cannot recreate the identity of a chip once it leaves our fab. Let's look at how they work in the real world. ArmorOcean handles device-to-device trust. It verifies manufacturer and the device certificate to stop clones. ArmorBoot uses a hash function to create a digital fingerprint of your boot code. If even one bit of that code is changed, the system will detect it and refuse to start. Meanwhile, ArmorFlash protects your most sensitive data, like financial information, medical logs, or biometric fingerprints, by encrypting data so it never travels across the bus in clear text. Marconi's provides a complete end-to-end solution that utilizes a standard SPI interface. This allows you to choose the exact level of protection your applications needs, from standard IoT device to post-quantum infrastructure, all while maintaining the convenience of your existing system architecture. Our solution applies to many areas: networking, automotive, and AI edge devices. All these systems require strong security. If you remember one thing today, let it be this: real security begins in silicon, not as a software patch. We must move from thinking about storage to thinking about trust. By using a hardware root of trust and preparing for post-quantum security, we create a foundation that lasts. Let's build a safer future together. Thank you.